While you're scrolling social media, researchers in Japan just accomplished something that will reshape genetic medicine forever. Ryotaro Hashizumi at Mi University used CRISPR to remove the extra chromosome 21 from human cells with Down syndrome, and the cells started functioning normally. This isn't science fiction. Published in PNAS Nexus February 2025. It worked. They literally edited out a genetic condition at the chromosomal level. Using cells from a 1-year-old with Down syndrome, they identified which of the 3 chromosome 21s was extra, then used CRISPR to cut it out. Success rate? 37.5% of cells. The edited cells restored normal gene expression. They took cells with a genetic condition and made them genetically typical. Down syndrome affects 1 in 700 births. It's caused by 3 copies of chromosome 21 instead of 2. Until now, there was no way to remove that extra chromosome. Now they can. This is the first successful demonstration of removing entire chromosomes from human cells. Not just editing genes, removing whole chromosomes that cause conditions. We crossed from treating symptoms to potentially eliminating causes. The researchers had to distinguish 3 nearly identical chromosomes and target only the extra one. They used DNA sequences to identify which came from which parent. Genetic precision we've never achieved. After removal, cells showed restored gene expression, improved survival, and better function. The dysfunction from too much genetic material was reversed. Reality check. This was lab dishes, not living people, still far from clinical use, not a cure yet. Proof one might be possible, but the first step towards something impossible. If we can remove chromosomes causing Down syndrome, what other conditions become reversible? Trisomy 18, trisomy 13, other chromosomal disorders. Future, where genetic conditions aren't permanent. This creates questions. Technology could reduce suffering, but who decides what's normal and needs fixing? Same tech that eliminates suffering could eliminate diversity. This will advance rapidly. Lab success leads to animal studies, then human trials. What's experimental today becomes reality in years. This isn't just Down syndrome. This is humanity editing our own genetics, moving from accepting genetic cards to reshuffling the deck. You witnessed proof that genetic conditions can be reversed at cellular level. Seemed impossible years ago. Scientists prove genetic conditions aren't permanent. Chromosomal disorders might be reversible. Conditions might become choices, not fates. Here's where it gets incredible. Can you imagine how much more AI will influence this research during our AI revolution? AI already helps identify targets, design CRISPR systems, predict responses, analyze data. Machine learning accelerates research exponentially. What took years might take months with AI. Genetic editing plus AI will transform medicine beyond imagination. What I can contribute? Start learning AI. Grab the free AI glossary in my bio link. Whether interested in genetic medicine or understanding our emerging world, AI literacy isn't optional, it's essential. You witnessed a breakthrough that could eliminate genetic suffering or diversity. The difference depends on using this power wisely and understanding the AI systems accelerating its progress.